Hello, and welcome to episode 11 of the Solo English podcast. Today we are going to talk about English articles. Articles are the small words a, an, and the. They look simple, but many English learners find them difficult. In this lesson, we will go step by step. We will look at what articles are, how to use them, when not to use them, and the most common mistakes learners make. Stay with me until the end, because we will also do some practice examples together. Let's start from the beginning. Articles are small words that go before nouns. They tell us if the noun is something general or specific. There are two main types of articles. Number 1, indefinite articles, a and an. These are used when we talk about something general, not a particular one. Number 2, definite article, they. This is used when we talk about something specific or something that both the speaker and the listener already know. Example: I saw a dog in the park. The dog was running fast. In the first sentence, a dog means any dog. In the second sentence, the dog means the specific dog we already mentioned. So the article changes the meaning. Now let's look at a. We use a before a singular countable noun that starts with a consonant sound. Remember, it's about sound, not just letters. Examples: a car, a book, a teacher, a dog, a laptop. We don't say, I bought car. We must say, I bought a car. Another example: she is a doctor. He is a teacher. I saw a movie yesterday. A tells us it's not specific. It's just one of many. Next, an. We use an before a singular countable noun that starts with a vowel sound. The vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Examples: an apple, an egg, an elephant, an umbrella, an idea. But remember, it's about the sound, not the spelling. For example, an hour. Even though hour starts with the letter H, the sound is a vowel sound, hour. So we say an hour. Another example: a university. Here, university starts with the letter U, but the sound is U, which is a consonant sound. So we say a university, not an university. Now let's talk about the. The is used when we talk about something specific or unique. Examples: the sun rises in the east. The moon looks beautiful tonight. The book on the table is mine. The teacher we met yesterday is very kind. Notice how in these sentences, we are not talking about just any sun or any book or any teacher. We are talking about a specific one. We also use the when both the speaker and listener know which thing we mean. For example, can you close the door? Here, both people know which door is being talked about. Sometimes we don't use articles at all. This is called the zero article. We don't use articles with plural nouns when talking in general. Example: cats are friendly animals. I like oranges. Not, the cats are friendly, unless we mean some specific cats. We also don't use articles with uncountable nouns when speaking in general. Example: milk is good for health. Information is important. We don't say, the milk is good, unless we mean a particular milk, like the milk in this glass. This is a very common area of confusion. We usually do not use the before most country names. Examples: India is a large country. I live in Japan. She traveled to Brazil. But we use the with countries that include words like republic, kingdom, states, or Netherlands. Examples: the United States, the United Kingdom, the Republic of Korea, the Netherlands. We also use the with oceans, rivers, and mountain ranges. The Pacific Ocean, the Amazon River, the Himalayas, but not usually with individual mountains or lakes. Mount Everest, Lake Victoria. We always use the with superlatives. Examples: she is the best student in the class. This is the tallest building in the city. That was the most interesting movie I have seen. We also use the with ordinals like first, second, third. Examples: I live on the first floor. He was the second person to arrive. Today is the last day of school. We use the with things that are unique, one of a kind, or understood by everyone. Examples: the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the internet. Because there is only one of each in the world, we always say the. Many English learners make mistakes with articles. Let's look at some. Mistake 1. I need an advice. Correct. I need advice. Advice is uncountable, so we don't use a or an. Mistake 2. He is the doctor when introducing someone. Correct. He is a doctor. We use a when we describe someone's job. Mistake 3. She goes to the school every day. Correct. She goes to school every day. When we talk about institutions in general, like school, church, or college, we usually don't use the. Now let's do some practice together. A cat is on the roof. The cat looks hungry. I bought an orange and a banana. The orange was sweet. The earth moves around the sun. She is a teacher. He is an engineer. I need help, not the help. Let's summarize. Use a before singular nouns with consonant sounds. Use and before singular nouns with vowel sounds. Use the for specific or unique things. Sometimes use no article at all. That's it. Practice every day by making sentences with articles, and soon you will use them naturally. Thank you for listening to episode 11 of the Solo English podcast. In the next episode, we will learn about English pronouns and how to use them correctly. See you in episode 12.